Alright guys, so I'll cut the AC up a little bit. But yeah, as I'm sitting here, I'm just about to drop the car off at Gerber Collision to get it repaired. I don't know if you guys remember a couple of videos back where I showed you it had like a minor damage to the front bumper, so I'm just dropping it off today to get that repaired. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take with ordering parts and all that type of stuff, so yeah, that's a thought of concern, but that's kind of what I'm doing right now.
I think you could have got a nicer car.
Huh?
I don't think you could have got a nicer car.
Honestly, no. I had a Honda before, so definitely an upgrade.
A little rough mark there.
Yeah. There's no damage. Everything should be pretty good.
Yeah, when people have white cars, we don't want to tell them, go ahead and take it home for a few days, and
Right.
because you can't see nothing when it's raining.
Right. Yeah. The hood line is a little bit off. I'm guessing that's due to the bumper maybe shifted. Like you can see it, like it's not perfectly centered.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that wasn't there before. So I'm guessing that's when it got hit.
Hood gap looks right. The bumper.
So we pretty much just went over all the damage. You can see the green X's right there, just to highlight the damage on the front. So I just got home, y'all. This is the rental that I have for now until my BMW is fixed. Not bad. Definitely not a BMW though, but it's not bad. It's got a decent amount of trunk room to fit a stroller. So yeah, not bad. And this is what it looks like inside. So yeah, just your typical car. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. It's not a sports car. It's not fast. Yeah, so yeah, that's good. At least I have something for work for the a couple of days until my car gets fixed. Right now they said it should have taken about 5 days to get my car fixed. So hopefully they actually stick to that in terms of parts and stuff like that. So but yeah, that's the car that I have right now.